Welcome students. In this video, let's see Unit 3 poem, I'm Every Woman. This is the second memory poem. It's very easy to memorize. Okay, let's see the poetess of this poem. Students, do you know who wrote this poem, I'm Every Woman? Rakhi Narayani Shirk. So this is Rakhi Narayani Shirk. She is an academician with a passion for writing poems as a medium of self-expression. She is a postgraduate with a bachelor's degree in education. You know, she finished her graduation in Jai Hind College, Mumbai. Now she lives in Mumbai. Actually, she is a teacher, works in Rayan International School, Maharashtra. In this poem, we can see the wonderful qualities of women. It talks about the multifaceted nature of women. Students, actually, today's women are empowered, brave, strong, and resolute. Nowadays, they are shining in the professions of doctors, nurses, politicians, engineers, lawyers, police, teachers, pilots, and what not. They are always ready to take up new ventures. Ventures is a risky journey. They are persistent, that is determined, and work tirelessly to prove their capability, that is, they work hard continuously to prove themselves to the world. They have to be treated respectfully for the growth of a nation. Okay students, shall we get into the poem? So this is the poem. As I told you, it's a very easy poem to memorize. Let's see the first stanza now. A woman is beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She is real, she is not fake. So here, according to the poetess, every woman is beautiful by nature, that is inborn beauty. Innate is natural or inborn. She is a symbol of power and strength. She is ready to put her life at stake. Stake is risk. She comes across risks in her life. She is real. She is true in expressing her love, and she is never fake. That is, she is real and she is not fake. Okay, now let's see the rhyme scheme of these lines. What is the rhyme scheme? Here it is A, B, C, C. And can you say the rhyming words? Stake and fake. Okay, let's move to the second stanza now. The summer of life she's ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who are near. She is the woman. She has no fear. So here, what's the meaning of summer? Summer means the difficulties in women's life. Spring is good times. Okay. She is very optimistic in her approach, even at times of adversity, even at the times of difficulties. That is, she takes life optimistically. She believes that good times of life will come again. She finds a ray of hope and she continues to care for her near ones. She gives importance to her family than to herself. She has no fear of anything. And here the rhyme scheme is A, B, B, B. And the rhyming words are dear, near, and fear. And now let's move to the third stanza. Strong is she in her faith and believes. Persistence is the key to everything, says she. Despite the sighs and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. Today's woman is strong in her faith and believes. Persistence, that is determination, is her key for everything. In spite of sighs, groans, and moans, that is complaints, grumbles, and grievances, she is strong in her faith. She is firm in her beliefs. And rhyme scheme of these lines are A, B, C, D. And no rhyming words in this stanza. Okay, let's move to the next stanza. She's a lioness, don't mess with her. She'll not spare you if you are a prankster. Don't ever try to sour her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to thaw you, saw you, so beware. So here she is compared with a lioness. It is said that she is ferocious like a lion. Don't tease or play a joke with her. She has her own pride and self-respect. It is better for a prankster to stay away from her. What's the meaning of prankster? A mischievous person. She knows how to tackle and deal with them. She knows how to thaw and saw the prankster. What's the meaning of thaw and saw? Thaw, actual meaning is melt. Here you can take it as destroy. Saw, it is cut. So she knows how to saw and thaw the prankster. Here she warns the prankster. And the rhyme scheme is A, B, C. Her, prankster. These are the rhyming words. And last two lines. She's today's woman dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. She is today's woman. Therefore, it is safer and healthier to love her, respect her, and keep her near to our heart. She should be kept as a dignified person. She has to be treated respectfully in all aspects of her life. She overcomes everything that was meant to destroy her because she is today's woman. Now let's see the figures of speech of this poem. A woman is beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She's real, she's not fake. The question is, pick out the rhyming words from the above lines. Already we have seen this. So, what are the rhyming words here? Stake, fake. And add another word that rhymes with it. So, here they have asked us to give another word that rhymes with this. We can say bake, cake, or anything. It's here. And give the rhyme scheme for the above lines. A, B, C, C. This also already we have seen. And come to the second question. She's a lioness. Don't mess with her. She'll not spare you if you are a prankster. So pick out the line that has a metaphor in it. So, she is a lioness. She is a lioness is a metaphor. A woman is compared to a ferocious lion. So here a woman is compared to a ferocious lioness. So here this is metaphor. She's power, she's strength, and she's beauty innate are the examples of metaphor to describe the qualities of a woman. She's strong in her faith, firm in her belief. Pick out the alliterated words from the above. Faith, firm. So FF. So these are the alliterated words. Actually, what is alliteration? Alliteration is a literary device. That is figure of speech in which a series of words begin with the same consonant letters or sound. Okay, so here it is: faith, firm, her, symbol, strength. So says, spring, and these are all alliterated words. And she's today's woman. Today's woman, dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. Pick out the rhyming words in these lines. So dear, near. So these are the rhyming words.